lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying now. So, awokala Kelly Nonhlanhla ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibona into lezama uyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like Lento Lewe Nzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Beseng mangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. Shoot this, stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So ubheke uboy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. And it's just understood ukuthi iyababa, iyabanda, it's hard for the bosoms, yabo? So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get Uboy. Number two, you know how many times your sister, Ukumete, and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi Uboy sikeslangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone Uboy. Angazi why ulokubambezela uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngeke ukwenza ingane yami iAI. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let uboy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Uyahamba uyakula ama-podcast nyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand what makhuluma ngami obviously izoba uha, then wonke umuntu ondlingano bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingano bayondliwa bona. Were they ever want that bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifaka endabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And I tell you, from the time I jail, I would bring a coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking. I've been wanting Christian has never thrown at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukuloko uza kimi kona manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu uJupwe useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowe Kula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. I need to prove it. Up until you started sending my gifts back from 2015 or 2014. So please, don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I've been wanting Christian Christian has never at me, I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukulogo uza kimi khona manje uhluphana nabantu basihlele emzini yabantu uJubu useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowe Kula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop. Thank you very much for taking care of a Christian. Can I please have my son back? I'm live and kicking. He's not AI. Maybe, or whatnot. But stop making him AI. Uboy wam. Let your boy, man. Uboy.
To hear. Because I want the country to think that I'm a great father. But being a great father, this picture is very flawed. Because if really you were determined to be part of your child's life, you would fight tooth and nail to make sure you were there. I could even send money, even if I don't get to see my child, because I must worry about my child's well-being.
So are you so you don't even receive child support?
From who?
From the father of your children?
No.
At all?
They're all useless.
No way.
All of them. Well, except for one.
So there you have it, Bafethu. It's a very bad season for Uchubchub. Uchubchub is begging and crying out for Kelly to give him his son. So apparently, Uchubchub is the father of the son, his father of Christian, and Kelly Khumalo is the mother of Christian. As you saw, guys, on the videos, Uchubchub is appreciative that Ukeli was there for Uboy. But however, Ukeli is actually not doing things right when it comes to co-parenting. And Manju Uchubchub also said, yo, don't you think like it would be good if we actually co-parents? Because Ukeli has been like speaking about Uchubchub Bafethu and its negative energy, I tell you. Ukeli was recently on El Tido's podcast, Bafethu. If you are tapped in El Tido podcast, she went there and she was like, the only father who was present, the only father who was hands down for his kids was the late former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper Usenzo Meyiwa, guys. May his soul rest in peace. She says Uguti, he was the only guy who was actually there for his kids and everything. But Uchubchub is a deadbeat dad. So Ukeli Khumalo, guys, uyahamba ke bafethu to each and every platform that she gets, you understand? And it's not looking good for Uchubchub, because whatever is said about Uchubchub is always negative. Yeah, so if you guys know, back in the days, I think 2015, if not 2010, I'm not really sure when was the year. You guys let me know in the comments. Uchubchub got arrested. He got arrested, he served all his years. But in the middle of serving his years in jail for whatever he did, he used to send gifts to the family during Christmas. Yeah, but he used to send, I think, his friend Pablo, if I'm not mistaken, to go send in gifts, Kuboga Kelly and everything, you understand? So one family, I don't know whose family got Chubchub, I think, or family got Kelly, wanted to actually sit down and resolve everything, because Uchubchub was ready to actually pay my damages and actually do things right into culturally. So Ukeli Bafethu won't let Uchubchub see his child, and it's painful because Uchubchub also said in the video, I'm not sure if this video is actually full, but there is another video, a full video, where Uchubchub said that he used to go to a Christian school. Christian is the son of Uchubchub Nokeli, guys, if you don't know, for further acknowledgement. So he used to go to his school, park the car outside, and ahlale khona lapho Uchubchub not knowing what he must do, not knowing what he ends in next, because if ever he is gonna step out of the car, he's gonna get shouted at, he's gonna be abused physically, not even physically, verbally, he's gonna be abused verbally. The whole community is gonna be around uChub because uChub Bafethu is a public figure. I know uChub from Uyachola 99 as a presenter. I know Kelly Khumalo as an artist. You understand? But I know Kelly Khumalo had her own reality show. So that's how I actually know Kelly Khumalo. And these two people actually, you understand? Both of these people are public figures, guys. So akukho lula for uChub ukuthi angafika esikoleni sika Christian, born with Christian, take him out. Hang out like father and son, you understand? It's so sad for uChub because the guy is trying and he has been seeking help from people, his audience, his community, his fans, nokuthi bamsize ukuthi ayithole ingane yakhe. And uChub uyasho ukuthi angeke amhlule uboy, he can take care of uboy. He's ready to be a father, he's ready to correct his mistakes. But uKelly does not see that, guys. Kelly akafuna co-parenter. Kelly doesn't want to do anything, doesn't want anything to do with uChub, guys. This is very sad for uChub. It's very, 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 very sad. We understand. But I'm just hoping everything comes together, guys. And people must stop this thing of going to platforms and everything. You understand that? Because Kelly said uChub is useless for not actually fighting for his kid. But the way I see it, uChub is trying to fight for his kid. He's trying to correct his mistakes. Right his wrongs and everything, and be the available and present dad that he always wanted to be. I'm not taking sides, guys, but I feel like there's maturity on uChub's side. You get me? There's maturity on uChub's side. You just let me know how you feel about the whole situation. And I just wish the guys can stop this habit of blocking Christian or blocking uChub rather from seeing his son. Yeah, I understand. Because it's even painful when uChub said that when Kelly looks at Christian, that's very, very crazy, because now it's like, Kelly is putting the boy inside a bottle, and that's wrong. Whenever you look at Christian, your own son, kumkhumbuza uChub. But I hope they resolve things, guys, because a lot has been happening in the industry. We understand that public figures don't get along. We understand that it's beef season right now. It's just drama season. But I just hope everything comes together, comes along, guys. You let me know what you think on the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Press that subscribe button. Road to 1K, man. Press that subscribe button. I'm kidding, guys. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment what you think is gonna bust out. I don't know. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Real Culture loves you. Salutes.